A cooking app is a digital platform designed to assist users in preparing meals and exploring new culinary techniques. These apps typically offer a vast collection of recipes, ranging from simple dishes to gourmet meals, catering to various dietary preferences and skill levels. Users can search for recipes based on ingredients, cuisine types, or meal categories, making it easy to find inspiration for any occasion. The best cooking apps often include features such as step-by-step cooking instructions, instructional videos, and user-generated reviews, which enhance the cooking experience. Many apps also provide meal planning tools, grocery lists, and nutritional information, helping users to organize their cooking efforts and make healthier choices. Some cooking apps may even offer personalized recommendations based on users' tastes and cooking history. In addition to recipes, these apps often foster a sense of community by allowing users to share their own recipes, photos, and cooking tips. This interaction can create a supportive environment where cooking enthusiasts can learn from each other and share their culinary successes. Overall, cooking apps serve as valuable resources for anyone looking to enhance their cooking skills, discover new recipes, and enjoy the process of preparing meals. Whether someone is a novice cook or an experienced chef, these apps can inspire creativity in the kitchen and make cooking a more enjoyable and accessible experience.